Disturbing visuals coming in. We are getting information that Vande Bharat at one of the coaches has caught fire. We'll try and get more details on that. These are the shocking visuals. Take a look of how the police officials are trying to douse the fire. We're being told this is the coach of the Vande Bharat Express that has caught fire at the Bhopal Delhi route. Passengers have been immediately evacuated. The safety is currently the paramount issue of the passengers. The coach is C14 of the Vande Bharat. It has caught fire near the Korowai station. Fire tenders have been rushed to the spot. But look at this incident. Look at the flames that have erupted in one of the coaches. So it's not the whole train, it's one of the coaches. And from underneath the coach, we can see the flames are rising. Passengers have been evacuated right away. Vande Bharat, remember, has become one of the most sought-after lifelines of many people, not only for its speed and the facilities that it offers, but also, of course, in technological advancement. What exactly happened in this case? We'll try and get more details. Heminder Sharma breaking this big news for us. This was the Bhopal-Delhi route. Heminder, over to you. Absolutely horrific visual to look at, but any details coming in and what is the current update? Are all the passengers safe?
Well, yes, the passengers are safe. Everyone has been safely evacuated. In fact, the train started from the Rani Kamalapati railway station in Bhopal and was heading towards the Nizamuddin railway station in Delhi. And about 15 kilometers before Bina, that is in district Sagar, this fire was spotted, reportedly from a battery. Thereafter, the train was stopped and fire tenders were pressed into service. The fire has been completely brought under control. The train would be moving ahead within the next half an hour or so. That's what railway authorities are claiming. All the passengers were safely evacuated. There's been no loss of life or any other loss. But the exact cause that led to the fire is still not known. Railway authorities are saying they are looking into it, and once they actually find out and confirm what the real cause would be, they would get back.
Here's hoping this is one rare isolated incident for the Vande Bharat Express, because many people, all citizens of this country, are rooting for the Vande Bharat Express. For now, we're being told this was the Bhopal-Delhi route where it did catch fire in one of the coaches, C14, but it's been fire tenders are on the spot. They're trying to douse the flames, but all passengers are safe. They were evacuated just in time. Heminder, thank you very much for now.